Hello guys, good afternoon. Ganda na nasa likod. So guys, you know this she is familiar bread. You know what this is, the bread? It's very good snack in PM, in 4 PM. Because she is have vitamins, potency, and healthy to your health. And I'm very good to your immune system. So very fresh. This is a bread is fresh from the sea. She have wrinkles. You like this color? This is a toppings. Wrinkles in the bread. Not sweet. It's slowly sweet. Hindi tayo magkaka-diabetes nito kasi sakto lang. It's very light sweet lang siya. Light lang. Actually, kagabi pa to. Fresh pa rin siya. Fresh from the sea. Alam nyo guys, malapit ko nang ipalabas yung mathematics language. So, do you know the mathematics language? Explain ko muna. You know the mathematics language is very basics. Because she have consonant, floral, regular, immune system requirements. So guys, do you want to interested to learn this mathematics language? Please watch on my more videos. So guys, bye-bye! Thank you so much. And just check it into your mother, mathematics language. So guys, this is my YouTube channel, Sos Makate. Don't forget to subscribe and substitution inside outside. So, good afternoon. Bye!